back to Makewell with Miss Markwell, or hello if you're new to my channel. Today I'm doing a sweet little dessert, something I used to do when I was at university to impress all my friends and family. It is so quick and easy, and I think you're going to like this one. It is called strawberry mascarpone and ginger layer, and it is so sweet and tasty. You're going to love it. Okay, so let's do it. Let's get chopping. Well, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. I thought that went well. I don't know. Well, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. I think that went quite well. Right, I'm gonna say. Okay, well, hello. Focus. What can I say? Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm a little shy. What can I say? I can do this. I think you should just tell me. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Thank you for watching the demonstration. I hope you enjoyed that. I think that went quite well. Please like and subscribe and share my channel to all your friends and family. You can also follow me on Twitter now, Makewell with Miss Markwell. Right, that's it. Until next time, bye for now.